this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a free 14-day Xbox Game Pass trial using Discord. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, go ahead and open up Discord, and up in the top left corner, go ahead and select the Discord logo. And this is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. From here, go ahead and select Quest from the menu on the left. Now, once you are on the Quest page here, what you're going to want to do is scroll down a little bit. And what you're looking for is this Xbox Game Pass one, which allows you to claim a 14-day trial of Xbox Game Pass. Go ahead and select Start Video Quest, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you just need to go ahead and watch this trailer all the way through. It'll show your progress meter down at the bottom as well. Once it does finish for you, you're going to want to select Claim More or Learn More, and it's going to redirect you into a web browser that looks something like this, where you're going to want to go ahead and sign into your Xbox account up at the very top. Once you do finish it, go ahead and select Claim Reward and then hit I Am Human, just like so. And from here, you are going to get your reward code for Xbox Game Pass right here, which in order to claim, you select Learn More, and it'll redirect you to the Xbox Game Pass website. We could sign in, hit Join Game Pass, and type in that code. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.